Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can develop your apps for Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, to start developing your apps, what you're going to want to do is from your dashboard, go into settings in the bottom left. Then you're going to go into apps and sales channels here under markets, and then you're going to click on develop apps. This will bring up this screen, and you're going to click allow custom app development, and that will require you to agree with the API license in terms of use. Then, as you can see, you're about to allow custom app development. Just click allow custom app development again, and as you can see, now that has been enabled. Once you've done this, you can start developing your app. You can click create an app, where you can enter the app name. I'll just select custom app, and then you can select the developer. These are people that are given permissions within your site or members of your site, which can make changes, and I'm just going to set myself as the app developer. Click create app, and now you can configure the admin API scopes, configure the storefront API scopes, and you can start developing your app from this here screen. Now, the development process is very complex, and I do not have the time nor the knowledge on how I can, show you guys to develop any app. You're going to have to figure that out on your own, since it depends on what you're going to want to do with your app. But in essence, that is pretty much all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.